Students of class 5, today we will start our new chapter, chapter number 6, Introduction to MS Excel 2007. In this chapter, we will learn about MS Excel, opening MS Excel 2007 application, some important terms in MS Excel, inserting text, numbers and formula, cell alignment, saving MS Excel 2007 workbook, already opening an already saved MS Excel 2007 file, printing MS Excel 2007 file, closing and exiting MS Excel 2007. Chapter number 6, class 5, page number 84, Introduction. MS Excel is an application software. We have learned about MS Excel in chapter number 2. It is used for storing the data in the form of rows and columns. MS Excel look like this. In MS Excel we have rows and columns. Rows are represented with numbers and columns are represented with alphabets. We have formula bar, home tab, insert tab, page layout, formulas, data, cell address, A1 and formula bar FX. First we will do reading. MS Excel is an application software. It is used for storing the data in the form of rows and columns. It uses the concept of displaying the data in the form of tables. This data can also be represented by the use of charts and graphs. MS Excel is the most commonly used spreadsheet package. What is a spreadsheet? A sheet like this is called a spreadsheet, in which we have rows and columns. It is called spreadsheet. Spreadsheets have been used in business for several years. These are used to keep track of expenses and several other calculations. Mostly we use this type of spreadsheet for calculation and for business purpose. Some of the main advantages of using MS Excel are: in chapter number 2, you have learned important features of MS Excel, that is calculation, database management and charts. We will recall them again in this chapter. Some of the important advantages of using MS Excel are: calculation. Numbers and calculations are managed efficiently in MS Excel. Formula once written can be easily copied to the rest of the worksheet. If any changes are made in the values, the new calculation is automatically performed. So in MS Excel, we can do any type of calculation, and if we make any changes in the calculation, automatically MS Excel will change that and save that. Database management. Data is a collection of values in the form of rows and columns. The data can be easily created and maintained in MS Excel 2007. Finding a value and sorting of the data is also easily taken care of in it. When we have to deal large amount of data, then database management help us to maintain and create our data. Figure 6.1. Third one is chart. The pictorial representation of data is called charts. You can create a variety of chart in MS Excel like pie chart, column chart, bar chart, etc. You also make use of 3D effects. You can make different type of charts by using MS Excel. It will help you to understand your data, and you can also apply effects like 3D effects. Page number 86, How to start MS Excel 2007. There are two ways to open MS Excel 2007. Double click on the Microsoft Excel 2007 on the desktop, or click on Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Office, MS Excel 2007. MS Excel 2007 window open. Figure 6.4, MS Excel 2007 window. Now I will show you how to open or start MS Excel. Students, as you can see on the screen, we have MS Excel. When we click on Enter, MS Excel window open. Now we need the blank one. So we select the first one, blank worksheet. When we click on it, blank worksheet open. In blank worksheet, we have columns represented by alphabets and rows represented by numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on, and columns with alphabets A, B, C. Intersection of row and column is called one cell. This highlighted one is called with green is called one cell. This one is one cell. And the address of this cell is A1. Fx is formula bar. This long bar is called formula bar. When I move to next cell, the address changes to A2. A is for column and 2 is for row. Similarly, B2. As we move, the address also changes. This sheet is called sheet 1. Then we have sheet 2 and so on. Now we will learn some important terms of MS Excel. Worksheet. A worksheet is a collection of cells in the form of rows and columns, the one that you have seen. There are by default 3 worksheets in a workbook. This one is sheet 1, then sheet 2, sheet 3. In one workbook we have 3 sheets. And sheet look like this. These are represented in the form of tabs above the status bar. Workbook. Each Excel file is known as workbook. It can hold many worksheets. The default workbook is book 1. This is book 1. Columns. Columns are arranged vertically. These are represented as letters from A to Z and then AA to AZ and so on. There are a total of 16,384 columns. In the worksheet, only one column A to O are displayed. Use the horizontal scroll bar to see the columns on the right of the screen. Figure 6.5. In figure 6.5, A to O are represented. Columns A to O are represented. Rows are arranged horizontally. These are numbered from 1,048,576. In the worksheet 6.5, only rows 1 to 21 are displayed. Use the vertical scroll bar to see the rows. Page number 87. A cell is the intersection of row and column. Each cell can store a single item of data. This data can be text, number, or a data value. Cell reference is the column letter and row number that identifies a single cell. As you can see in figure 6.5, this one is cell reference. Office button, name box, row, quick access toolbar, formula bar. These are columns, these are rows. Insert worksheet button if you want to insert a new worksheet. This is status bar, horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar.